Hello, my dear friends. If you are stuck in a cycle of negative thinking, you are not alone. But here is the good news: you can take control of your mind and replace negativity with empowering positive thoughts. In just 3 minutes, I will show how you can do it. Let us dive in. First, become aware of thought. Most of our thoughts are negative and it happens on autopilot. I'm not good enough. I will never succeed. People do not care. Stop, pause, ask yourself, what exactly did I say to myself? Naming the thought reduces its power. Think of it like this: you cannot fight a shadow until you shine a light on it. Now that you have identified it, challenge it. Ask, is this 100% true? Would I say this to my friend? What is the evidence for and against this thought? Challenging negative thoughts is not lying to yourself. It's thinking realistically instead of emotionally. And that shift is powerful. Once you have challenged it, replace it. Not with a fake affirmation, but with a realistic kind of thought. For example, I never be good enough becomes I am learning and improving every day. People do not care about me becomes some people truly do, and I am building better connections. So remember, my friends: number 1, catch the thought; number 2, challenge it; number 3, replace it. Negative thoughts are not facts, they are habits, and like any habit, they can be changed. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today. Stay kind to your mind, and we'll meet again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.